Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. Attend. Attend. To go to something, whether a meeting, place, event, etc., or party. Party even. Yeah. So let's have a look. So I will. Whoops. I need to attend the meeting. It is important. She will attend the party with me. So I will go to the meeting because it's important, and she will go to the party with me. Attend. When will you attend the meetings? When? There's a meeting every Friday. There's a meeting every Friday. There is a meeting every Friday. When are you going to attend? Yeah. Whoops. Yeah, when are you going to attend the meeting? I always attend it. I always attend it. What about you? What about you? How cool is that? Yeah. So we could then say, I always attend the parties. I always go to the parties. Yeah. She attends them with me. Oh, how cool is that? So that means I attend, you attend, they attend. Yeah. He attends. She attends. It attends. Yeah. He attends the meeting with the bosses. He attends the meetings with the bosses. She attends her appointments on the weekends. Makes sense. Yeah. It's inviting me to attend. It wants me to attend. It wants, there's the plural, wants me to attend. Not it wants me to attend. It wants me to attend. How cool is that? Yeah. So I think I'll attend the next meeting. I think I will attend the next meeting. Yeah, I guess. You're going to attend it too. You're going to attend it too? Really? Okay then. They aren't going to attend it. Yeah, no way. No way. No way. How cool is that? Yeah. So, yes, they were here. They attended last night. They came to the party, the meeting last night. Yeah. Look at the list. She's attending the meeting. She will be here. She will attend. She will be here. She will attend. He is going to attend tonight. He is going to attend the meeting on Sunday. How cool is that? Yeah. So she, let's try and change that. So she attends the meeting. She attends the meeting with her colleagues. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So attend, to go to something, whether a meeting, place, or event. You attend. I attend. You attend. They attend. He attends. She attends. And beyond. How cool is that? So, can you write attend in a sentence and comment below? And subscribe to the channel, like the video, more videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah, more on the way. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.